In this video, I'll show you how to print an A4 PDF as A3 from Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF in Acrobat and check the bottom left corner to see the current page size. In this example, it shows A4. Click the Print icon or go to File and select Print. In the Print window, set the page sizing to size, then choose Fit so the PDF scales to the new paper size. Choose your printer, or if you want to create a new PDF, select Adobe PDF as the printer. Click Page Setup and select A3 as the paper size. Click OK to apply it. Choose whether you want to print all pages, the current page, or a page range, just like normal. Click Print and save the file. Once the PDF is created, check the bottom left corner again and you'll see it's now in A3 size. You can also use the Organize Pages option and select Set Page Boxes. Under Page Size, you can then convert your document to your desired paper size. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.